always see the blessings when you're in the valley because the valley is dark, hard for the light to get in. But when the light finally comes back, you feel it though. And you feel it not because everything is perfect, not by a long shot, zero perfection, but because you remember what it felt like when nothing was. That's why the low points in your life, those low experiences, that's why they matter. They teach you how to hold joy, your own joy, how to create your own joy and hold it in both hands. Or another way to say it, if I had to simplify it, before you feel the high points in life, you'll sit with disappointment. I mean, really sit with disappointment. You'll sit there and you'll wonder if the struggle you've been in forever is ever going to end. Yeah. You'll scroll through Instagram reels and YouTube shorts when your real life feels stuck. Been there and done that, y'all. But then one day, oh yeah, one day you'll feel that joy again, the joy that you thought you lost. You'll breathe freely again. It'll just hit differently. A random blessing out of nowhere will remind you that you made it through. You did that. Because the lows teach you to feel, the highs teach you to hope, and together they make you grateful for it all. That is so powerful, y'all. That is so good because before the highs comes, right? Before you can feel the high, comes the lows because life has peaks, right? And life has valleys. We have to learn to be thankful for them both. You have to learn to be thankful for them both. Homework assignment, journal prompt. Very, very important. I want you to write about one low point in your life that looking back, right? Looking back actually led to growth, clarity, or unexpected blessings. What did it teach you? What did the low point teach you? Who did it shape or mold you into? I want you to title this journal page Before the Rise because this helps you reframe your struggle as a sacred part of your becoming. So, who you are today because of your struggle. The second homework assignment is I want you to do a mirror check in or a reflection practice tonight or sometime this weekend or this week. Just do it. I want you to look at yourself in the mirror and say this out loud. It may sound silly, but it's important to do it. Say this out loud. Even my low points are a part of my purpose. I won't forget them, but I won't live there either. And while you're doing this, I want you to remember to pause and breathe and feel those words because acknowledgement is healing. So, in other words, don't rush through the process. Acknowledgement is healing. So, feel those words, pause, breathe, acknowledge. Pause, breathe, acknowledge. I love you and God loves you. And yes, you are enough. There's absolutely nothing or no one on this earth that can change that. Okay, I'm Katie Gates, and this is the place where I help women like you and me become the best people that we can be. If that's your vibe, just subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye bye.